Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok too many attempts try again later. When you try to log in into your TikTok account and you see this kind of error, then I will tell you how you can fix this error. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to close that. After that, what you have to do is you have to open settings. In setting, you have to open apps or application manager. After that, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to find TikTok. After finding TikTok, what you have to do is you have to click on storage and you have to clear the cache of the TikTok. As you can see, if I click on storage and after clearing cache, you have to close that. And in next step, what you have to do is you have to open a VPN, install a VPN from the Play Store. As I have already installed it, so I don't have to. So I have to click on VPN and connect to that VPN so that my IP address can be changed. I am connecting to that VPN. After VPN has connected, I am again clicking on TikTok so that I can easily log into my TikTok account. After the TikTok has opened, as you can see, what you have to do is you have to click on profile and you have to click on login or sign up. Here you can easily click on and you can click on your account. After writing your number, you can easily click on send code and a code will be reached to your number. If your number is connected to your phone, your code will be automatically submitted to your phone and your account will be reset again. As you can see, my account has been doing reset. After doing so, your problem will be solved. As you can see, hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.